Unboxing this Oraimo blender. This is how it comes from the outside. It has a steam here. Just break the seal. And open. This is how it is. Whoa, this is how it looks. This is how it comes. We have this fused, of course. Okay, we have that. I am excited about this one. Max, this is how do I open it? Okay, I'll figure out how to open this one. I'm going to figure out. Oh, there, it opens. This nicest kitunguu, nyanya, and all those stuff. And we have the blender itself. That's how it works. It has a scale. You can remove it like that. This is an upgrade from my previous blender. Just like that. Boom. We have our blender. We have our new blender. Now another fruits. Fruits. This one you cover like this. And then you put this one on top, lock it, and then you chop. For this one, you put your onions there. Onions, tomatoes, and you lock it there. And you put it there and you blend like that.